Hello class, today's topic is gonads and its hormones. What are gonads? Gonad is a sex gland or reproductive gland that produces the gametes, that is the sex cells and sex hormones of an organism. As the human beings are unisexual, male and female are separate, so there are two types of gonads, testes in case of the male and ovaries in case of the females. Gonad secretes hormones that help regulate reproductive functions. So in case of the male, the gonads are testes which are present in the scrotal sac and produces the hormone such as testosterone and inhibin. These testes are placed in the scrotal region. Testosterone hormone, which act with luteinizing and follicular stimulating hormones produced by the adenohypophysis to stimulate spermatogenesis, that is formation of the sperm, which carries the male nucleus or the male gamete. It requires a certain temperature less than the body. Testosterone is also necessary for the growth and maintenance of the male sex organs. It promotes the development and maintenance of sexual behavior. In humans, it stimulates the growth of facial and pubic hair as well as enlargement of the larynx, which deepens the voice. All these three characters are the secondary sexual characters. Another hormone inhibits the secretion of the FSH. Inhibit means to stop. Ovaries are present in case of the female. A pair of ovaries are present. It produces four major classes of hormones: estrogen, progesterone, relaxin and inhibin. Estrogen hormone, this includes estrogen, estrone and estradiol. It helps to regulate the menstrual and oestrous cycles and the development of the mammary glands and other female secondary sexual characteristics. The female secondary sexual characteristics are enlargement of the breast, increase in the size of the hip bone, etc. Progestin, it may include primarily progesterone and regulate the menstrual and oestrous cycle and the development of the mammary glands and aid in placenta formation during pregnancy. Both the hormones, estrogen and progesterone, when released in the certain amount during the different cycle phase, are responsible for the menstrual cycle and ovulation during the puberty or the reproductive phase. Relaxin, which is produced in small quantities, softens the opening of the uterus, cervix at the time of delivery. Oxytocin hormone, which is actually responsible for the contraction, the relaxin hormone, act as antagonistic to that. Inhibit the secretion of follicular stimulating hormone so that single follicle can be formed for the process of the ovulation. Prepare the notes, read the book and prepare yourself. Stay home.